What is up? Today I got the Takstar SGC-598, you know what I'm saying? Shotgun mic. Right now I'm recording with the Sony a6400, just the regular microphone, the regular stock microphone. So I'm gonna do a comparison, you know what I'm saying? So let's open this bitch up. Basically all in like fucking I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese. What comes in right now? You open this shit up. You got a microphone bag, a manual, you got a battery, yeah, and then finally the microphone. Yeah, so let's try it out. So this is the microphone. It has a coiled wire, so that's kind of cool. A setting for your bass, decibels, and on and off switch. I'm not gonna lie, it does feel kind of cheap, the plastic, but it has some weight to it, you know? So that's what it looks like without the poof on it, the sound blocker thing. Made in China. The thing in the back was a stabler for the microphone. So let's test it out. This is the audio from the a6400. I'm about, I guess, yeah, like an arm's length away. And this is a test, audio test. And I could say anything I want. So, yeah. I don't even know what to fucking say. Fuck. I had to retake a video because I wasn't in the frame because I can't see the screen. It doesn't flip up anymore due to the design of the a6400. But it's alright, it's still a good camera. At least I think so. This is an audio test of the Takstar SGC-598 before I was using my stock camera microphone. This is me whispering into the camera. Sally sold seashells by the seashore. Okay. Peter Piper picked up peppers. So that was with the foam piece. I'm gonna take the foam piece off. Here we go. Alright, so now the foam piece is off. Peter Piper picked a pack of peppers. Sally sold seashells by the seashore. Sally sold seashells by the seashore. Put the 10 decibels and make it flat. So this is a test of the SGC 598. This is it with plus 10 decibels and the flat equalizer. So this should have more bass. So hopefully you guys hear that, Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. You know what I'm saying? Woof woof. And I'm gonna turn off that shit and see how this sounds. I dropped the bass off. Peter Piper picked a peck of peppers. You know what I'm saying? You heard it here first. Tell me what you guys think. Which sounds nicer? Because the reason I got this is because we're gonna start filming some like random videos. We need some audio, so I hope you guys stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Have a great day.